Hey guys, it's Ashley from Editor Reviews, and today I'm here with my Nadine West for January. This is my second package from them. I'm here fresh-faced. Fresh just means no makeup and I look like crap. My two youngest children are quarantined right now. They were exposed at school, so we've been doing virtual school. And I am just so glad it's Friday. I'm just so glad that I'm done for the week, but we still have this only day 2 of 14, so we are we're just gonna hang in there and see how it goes. All right, so about Nadine West, this is a styling subscription. There is no styling fee like you'll find with other clothing subscriptions, but however you do pay shipping, it's $9.78. It is applied to anything you decide to keep. You'll receive 4 to 6 items that are sent to you based on an initial survey that you fill out when you sign up. One thing that I'm kind of not into is the fact that you have to get jewelry. I need no more jewelry. Like, I have enough jewelry from boxes that I've gotten that I'll never need another piece unless I'm buying really nice, real jewelry. So that's kind of a bummer, but I do like the prices. Like, you can adjust that. I do not like paying a lot for clothes. Like, I just can't. Like, I grew up really poor. Like, if you ever grew up really poor, I don't know, maybe some people don't feel the same way as I do. I look at certain clothing prices, I'm like, I will not pay that. That is ridiculous. And so I will find an alternative. I will find it too. I don't mind looking. That's the difference between, I just don't. Anyway, so I do like the prices. So what I'm going to do, the same thing I did last time, we're going to open everything up right here. I'm going to go through the pricing and, I'll tell you my thoughts initially, and then I'll insert photos at the end of me in each piece. And then I'll try to remember to tell you guys what I purchased. Last month, if you did ask, there was a pair of pants and they were only like $11.99. And I was like, girl, I'm down for that. I did keep the pants. It was the only thing I got. All right, so we're going to get in here. I think I might have a referral code too. If I do, I'll put that down in the description. All right, so on this thing, it's going to tell us all our items and all the prices, but we're going to wait. That's also our return label. Yoinks, I need that. So you just put everything back in this bag, and there's a little seal in there, and you put the label back on it, and you send it back. So it's pretty simple. I like that about it. There is an ease. I've probably been making that noise with the bag the whole time, and it's going to annoy a lot of people. Sorry. Everything comes all wrapped up super pretty. And this is orange, and you guys know that's my favorite color. So this, and then when you fill out the survey, so there's some jewelry in here, you'll tell them like what you want, like, you'll tell them kind of what you're into. And for me, I was like, I want some nicer clothes. Like, I want things I go to school board meetings and stuff like that, and I want things for those occasions. So this is a pair of pants that I actually really love the way they look. This is from Active USA. These are a medium. These have like a cuffed bottom. I think these are really pretty. They're very similar to the style, this top, the tied top with the little cuffs bottom. The colors obviously aren't the same, but they're very similar to the pants from the last box, except the fabric is a little different. So those are cool, and depending on the price, those are most likely to keep. All right, I see yellow. So this is, from Zenana. I will be honest and say that I'm not a fan of this immediately. This gold, I'm not a gold person. The zip up, I kind of feel is a little, I don't know. Now, that doesn't mean that, is it gold or is it, no, it's definitely gold, but the buttons on the side don't look that gold. I mean, I might put this on and be like, wow, this looks really pretty on and it feels nice. It kind of has a nice hanging, like a draping. So we'll see, but I'm not thinking that that's a yes, but we'll see. I was wrong last time. I really thought that I loved that dress, and then I saw it on me and I was like, oh, girl, no. No. All right. And then we have, what is this? We'll look at the jewelry then too. I'm just not excited about that, so. EM. Ooh, this is pretty. So this kind of has a, let me explain to me how the hell this works. All right, so it has blue flowers. It's this kind of, what is this? You hear my son out in the hall. He's out there doing, who knows what he's doing. It's like a crepe material, and then it has this ruffles, this ribbing, I guess. And then the back here, it has a black tie. So you would pull that around the front and let it hang, I'm supposing. That's really pretty. Not sure how I feel about the sleeves. I'm not a bell sleeves person. I know these aren't bell sleeves, but they kind of have that same flounciness, which if you cook a lot or, you know what I mean? Like, I got 4 kids, they get in the way, and or if you type a lot, I don't like them there. I go for comfort with clothing, and those sleeves are not comfortable in my opinion. They're irritating, you know? But anyway, it looks pretty, and I like the fabric. All right. Then we have, oh, these are cute. These are like a legging pant. So they have, I think it's a metallic, kind of like a rib, what is that, piping through them? Piping, I don't even know, who knows? Galaxy knit, you know what I mean? And then the back has actual real pockets on a legging. That's unheard of. And on the front too, so you do have pockets. These are from, does it say? Come on now. New Mix. I don't know what I'm going to think of these. On the bottoms are extremely tapered, so I don't know how I'm going to feel about that. We'll see what they look like on. They're heavy, and I don't know if they're like fleecy inside actually. Yeah, they are. They're like fleecy inside, so they're great for winter. But the thing is, if these are really comfortable, I'll keep them because they look nice, but they feel comfortable. See what I did there? And you could actually pair this with this top and probably have a cute little outfit. All right, last clothing item is this thing. This thing. Oh, this is a really long dress. This is actually cute. Shop Basic USA. This kind of looks like something Laura Ingalls would wear. It's super soft material. That kind of, do you remember LuLaRoe? Kind of has that feel to it. And then it's really long. It'll go all the way to the floor. I don't know how I feel about that, but I mean, it's not a bad item. Not mad at it. Well, I might be once I see the prices. But for now, all right, let's take a peek at the jewelry. So there's, users. All right, there's a little bracelet, silver. Nah, nothing. I have bangles already. I don't need. There's some silver hoops. Those are actually really pretty, but I don't necessarily need or want those. I have cute hoops that I got from my Fab Fit Fun box. I think it was, or no, it was the Boxy Charm. I love those hoops. I think they're super pretty. And this just looks like a chain or an, I'm not opening it because I don't want to tangle it up. I just want to send it. I know I'm sending it back, so I'm not going to even take it out. But we'll look on the card and see what it is. All right. Price time. All right. All right. The top Prima Donna Ash Must. I don't know what that is. I wish I knew what these all were. All right, so the bracelet, it's a bracelet. That's $20.99. The necklace, was there a necklace? Oh, so the bracelet, yes. And then the necklace, this is a necklace, is $19.99. The earrings are $14.99. So I can tell you that for certain. Now let's get through these. What can I figure out here with the tops? Because there's a few. The navy dress is $29.99. I don't know. I'm going to see what it looks like on, but that's kind of pricey, in my opinion, for something that I'm not, like, already bowled over by, unless it looks great on or something. All right, then we have the bottom, the Bristol Light Rust. I think those are the orange pants. Those are $26.99. That kind of is pushing it, but if they look really cute on, I might keep them, just because I like them. All right. And they are pants, which I don't mind spending a little more on them. All right. Then we have the skinny black pants. Those are $34.99. That's kind of pricey for what I would call a glorified legging. You know what I mean? You know, girl. Probably gonna keep them unless I see it and I'm like, oh, wow. You do get a discount if you keep all the items or a certain number of them. All right, let's see here. There's 2 more shirts left. Khaki and fur. I think that this one is khaki and fur. So this is called the Alexandra top. This is $25.99, which is kind of pushing it for me. And then this one, the one I didn't like at all, is $39.99. Wow, wow, wow. Oh yeah, because it's, no, is this, oh yeah, ash mustard. Yeah. $39.99. So this is the priciest item in the box, and it's the item I like least. So that kind of tells you how that's going to go. So like I said, I will put pictures now at the end of this video once I'm done talking, and I will also link down below to Nadine West. I'll also link to my full review on my blog where we'll go in depth and all that good stuff. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I am going to show you what I look like in all these clothes.